The Molokai Voyage is our most popular flight departing from the Friendly Isle. Explore the beauty and serenity of this multi-island experience between Maui and Molokai. This approximate 60-minute flight features Molokai's spectacular sea cliffs, stunning waterfalls, and fish ponds. Fly over the Pailolo Channel, featuring some of the most scenic waters between the islands, including the uniquely shaped Elephant Rock, an aptly named formation protruding from the sea. Upon reaching Molokai, soar next to the world's largest sea cliffs, which tower the Pacific and provide magnificent bird's-eye views. Journey into the canyons surrounded by lush landscape and cascading falls. Travel along the island's southern coast to witness the varied blue shades of Molokai's ancient fish ponds. Conclude your flight over Maui with intimate views of the West Maui Mountains, a vegetation-covered rainforest, and distant views of the dormant volcano Haleakala. Fly Maverick to Molokai for a Hawaiian adventure of a lifetime.